it's not for beginners. So this video is not at all for beginners. This is for professionals who are already doing option selling. For them, it's a great boon. Martingale is a great boon, which many of our Indian option sellers use this strategy. Namaste, India. So stop gambling, learn hedging. So Martingale strategy. What is this Martingale strategy? It's a very unique and very few people in India know this strategy. So Martingale is very powerful strategy and it's an ultimate strategy in stock market, but too in option selling. But only the constant is you require capital, bigger capital. And I'll tell you some suggestions also how to manage the capital also in this Martingale strategy. So now let's say Martingale means, let's say you're putting 1 rupee for a gambling and you lost 1 rupee. Look, 1 rupee is lost. What is your money going out of your pocket? 1 rupee is loss. So next time, what you are doing is you are putting 2 rupees on the table. Why? Because you want to recover 1 rupee loss also, and you want to gain. Let's say again this 2 rupees is also loss. What is the loss? 3 rupees is a loss overall. Again you are putting 4 rupees on the table. Why? Because you want to recover the 3 rupees loss and you want to make profit also. Let's say this 4 rupees is also a loss. What is the loss? 7 rupees is a loss. Let's say again you are putting 8 rupees on the table. Let's say this time you won. So you recovered all the losses. You recovered all the losses. The same way the Martingale works in option selling. So let me explain you. Let's say you have sold 16600 put option, which is roughly 700 points. See, at present market is at 17300. 17300 is a spot price of Nifty, and you have sold 16600 put option, which is roughly 700 points away. Weekly, that too weekly. So Martingale, if you do it for weekly, it's far better. Don't do it for monthly. You have sold 700 points downside. So now let us assume this premium is trading at 30 rupees. You sold this one at 30 rupees, and market fell down, and this became roughly, when it is about to expire, it became 50 rupees. So now you are incurring a loss of 20 rupees because you sold at 30 and that became 50. You incurred a loss of 50. So don't worry, aram se book the loss of 50 rupees. I mean, whatever, 20 rupees is a loss, right? So you sold at 30 and you bought it back at 50. So the loss is 20 rupees out of the pocket. So now what you need to do, you just go out of the money much more and you sell 2 lots of 25 rupees wala put option, 2 lots. So if you sell 2 lots of 25 rupees wala put option, 2 lots, this will compensate for 50 rupees loss, and that means you are again in the profit of 30 rupees. You recovered your loss of 20 rupees also, and again you made a profit of 30 rupees. So let me explain you practically. So Martingale is a very powerful, carefully listen. So let's say you sold, see market is at, see we are today, the date is 21st February. So I have taken 24th February expiry 2022. So I am selling very far away call option, put option, assuming market will not go down. See, why will anyone sell put option? If their vision is perfectly bullish, then only you have to sell a put option. So you are selling this one at 40 rupees. See, if everything goes well, market goes up, no doubts you will make money. This is understood. By chance, markets fell down drastically and market comes to 16,600. See, when we have to close this position, very important. See, these minute things no one will tell you. Listen carefully. When it comes to 16,600, only we need to get panicked. So 16,600 aa gaya to the premium, this put premium would have been even at 30 rupees also if it is near to expiry, or it would have been gone to 60 rupees also, or it would have gone to 100 rupees also. We never know. So when market comes very quickly to 16,600, then the premium would have shot up. If it comes very slowly, the premium would have melted, decayed, and you would be in profit also. At that time, no need to do martingale. Don't do martingale. Martingale should be done only if you're in loss. So minor loss. So, or major loss also, no problem. So let's say this is in loss. Book the loss. Let's say this went to 60 rupees. You sold it at 40, this went to 60. Now you come down and sell. See, at that time, the 30 rupees wala put option will be somewhere here or somewhere here. You sell two lots of put option instead of one lot. See, you sold here, that went into loss. Now you come down and sell two lots of put option. Anyhow, the expiry will be hardly 4 days, right? So the best strategy, the best thing to do this martingale is Friday. You have only 4 days time, and your vision is very very clear. In 4 days time, not much big movement may happen. That too in index, that too in Nifty. Martingale can be done only for Nifty, not for Bank Nifty, not for stocks. Stocks too, you should have a lot of guts and lot of money to do martingale. Index you can easily manage it. Martingale you can easily manage. You require capital. So what is the capital required? As a layman, if I tell, the capital required would be, so at least 12 to 15 lakhs is a decent capital for martingale. Reason is, at least I'm not telling that is initial capital. I mean, you sold it, capital required is 1 lakh. Again you sold two lots, capital required is another, again you are anyhow exiting this one, 2 lakhs. But again it comes down, again here you need to sell 4 lots, right? So you sold here 2 lots, that became loss. Now you sell half wala 4 lots, and again next 8 lots. You need to keep selling until unless the expiry comes. You just need to keep shifting the position until expiry comes. You need to keep shifting your positions. So for shifting the positions you require, so you require 1 rupee, next 2 rupees, next 4 rupees, next 8 rupees, like that you need to jump up your capital. So where roughly martingale is recommended for people a decent capital of 15 lakhs, not with a chota trader. So where if something goes wrong, you may face bigger losses. And again in martingale, again we can escape by buying. So let's say you sold this put option, you can anytime hedge it by buying little out of the money put option also. By buying out of the money, this will get hedged to limited loss also. But still, a martingale is for professionals who have knowledge about stock market. It's not for beginners. So this video is not at all for beginners. This is for professionals who are already doing option selling. For them, it's a great boon. Martingale is a great boon, which many of our Indian option sellers use this strategy. The same way you can do it for call option also. Let's say you sold this call option. Let's say you sold this 34 rupees wala call option. Assuming market will not go up, but market started coming up, and this 34 became like 50 rupees. If this becomes 50, you start selling a 25 rupees wala 2 lots of call option. Again, if that 25 also market reaches that point also, you start selling 12 rupee 55 paisa wala call option 4 lots. So like that you need to keep increasing the targets, I mean lot sizes, so that the firefighting, this is the firefighting. So best firefighting if you have a bigger capital. So what is the ideal capital for this one? Infinity. So what is ideal capital? Infinity. So what is your goal? So your goal should be take a limited weekly expiry kind of a strategy, because if you take it monthly, for firefighting you need to keep firefighting. You may require bigger capital. So that's the reason I recommend you to do this for weekly. And one more thing, so this can be even inculcate, we can do the strategy for even for a big buy covered call. See, if anyone has big buy covered call, what is the mean of big buy? Let's say I purchased so HUL, Hindustan Unilever. So what is the lot size roughly? Let's say the lot size is, so let us say 300 is a lot size and 2200 is a share price of Hindustan Unilever. So what is the capital required? Roughly 6,60,000. 6,60,000. If you have only, we can do a martingale. Why? Because, so see, actually I told 15 lakhs, but just let's say you have 6 lakhs, 16 lakhs, 6,60,000 in HUL in the form of delivery shares. What you can do, just go away 5% above the share price and give a call sell. Give a call sell. If market starts coming to that call, what you need to do, exit that call and go little far away and sell 2 lots of call sell. So you will enjoy some profits in call sell, definitely, and even in cash market also you'll make money. So martingale can be used even for a big buy covered call. So what you need to do, buy in cash market one full lot of HUL in cash market and just give 5% above call sell. Let's say you gave call sell at 20 rupees and 20 rupees luckily became 10 rupees or 12 rupees and premium decade and became 2 rupees. You happily book the profit and come out. Let's say this 20 became 30 because market started moving up. So if this becomes 30, definitely you're in a loss of 10 rupees. Now what you do, 15 rupees wala, 2 lots sell karo, which is little far out of the money. Anyhow, within that days, I don't think it will come and hit that level. That 15 rupees into 2 lots, 30 rupees is your income, but in that already you lost 10 rupees earlier. Remove that, again you are sitting with a 20 rupees profit. This is how a rich guy will do martingale. Martingale is a rich man's game. This is a exclusive ideas I'm just giving you. So please, if you like this very simple video about martingale, please like, share, comment and share to your friends also. So if you want to join our courses, TIDI Academy being the best institute in Bangalore for option selling, you can join also. Thank you.